Hi, Paul here. Today's car is a Subaru or Subaru, depending on where you live. It's an Impreza. It's a 1998 WRX STI, and saw this one at the Sprint Rally just out of town. It has a 2-litre engine. These were built from 2000 to 2007. Has a top speed of 150 miles per hour or 241 kilometers per hour. Has a 0 to 60 miles per hour of 8.7 seconds or a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour of 9.1 seconds. This was imported into New Zealand and was built in Japan. As you can see on the dashboard, it has the pace notes for the co-driver to read to the rally driver. Hopefully they get them fairly correct. It looks like it's nearly like shorthand written, but obviously they need them so they don't crash. Not sure if this car has been modified or not, probably. Looks nice, and hope you enjoy.
Go back in another 3 foot.
Cheers. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you liked it. Feel free to comment or subscribe, and stay safe.